Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. For decades, the bungalow was the definition of classic, cozy living. But today, this timeless structure is undergoing a stunning transformation, blending comfort with contemporary minimalism. Get ready for modern bungalow house design ideas that prove one story is all you need for maximum style. Welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. I'm your host, and if you thought bungalows were old-fashioned, think again. The modern bungalow is one of the most practical and aesthetically pleasing home designs today. It's accessible, efficient, and emphasizes a deep connection to the landscape. We're going to define this style, detail the powerful benefits of single-story living, show you how to nail that exterior curb appeal, and share the top 10 best modern bungalow designs we've seen. Let's explore simplicity and sophistication. The term bungalow historically refers to a small, low-pitched, 1.5-story house, originating from colonial India. However, the modern bungalow keeps the core principles, single-story living, a prominent horizontal structure, and a deep connection to the yard, while completely updating the aesthetic. Modern bungalows shed the complex details and dark eaves of their craftsman predecessors. They feature clean, often flat or very low-pitched rooflines, expansive windows, often floor-to-ceiling, open-concept interiors, and a streamlined material palette. They emphasize natural light and blur the line between indoor and outdoor space through large patios and sliding glass doors. This design is fundamentally rooted in accessibility and efficiency, favoring simplicity of form and functionality over complicated vertical structures. It's a home that is designed to be lived in completely on one level, providing a sleek, sophisticated, and incredibly comfortable living environment. The benefits of choosing a modern bungalow go far beyond just looking good. They fundamentally improve the quality and ease of daily life. The most profound benefit is accessibility and age-in-place design. With no interior stairs, the bungalow is inherently safer, easier to navigate for everyone from small children to seniors, and perfectly suited for accessibility needs. This single-level continuity means lower long-term maintenance costs and simplified daily routines. Secondly, bungalows are incredibly efficient in layout and construction. The open floor plans maximize usable space, making smaller footprints feel much larger. Construction costs can often be streamlined because the structure is simpler, and mechanical systems like HVAC are often easier and cheaper to install and run compared to multi-story homes. Finally, the seamless indoor-outdoor flow is a huge lifestyle advantage. The low profile allows for direct, easy access to the patio and yard from multiple rooms, encouraging outdoor living and flooding the interior with natural light, contributing significantly to homeowner well-being. To achieve a stunning modern bungalow exterior, you need to emphasize the horizontal lines and integrate the structure with the landscape cleanly. Start by focusing on material blocking and texture. Instead of using one uniform material, apply a restrained mix of 2 or 3 high-quality elements. Think smooth white stucco, rich natural wood siding, like cedar or redwood, and dark, textured stone or brick on the foundation or an accent wall. This contrast provides sophisticated visual interest. Next, perfect the walkway and entrance. Create a wide, clean linear path using large format pavers or polished concrete, leading directly to the front door. The entry should be protected by a deep, low overhang supported by slender, minimalist columns to underscore the modern aesthetic. Finally, utilize minimalist lighting and landscaping. Keep the landscaping clean and geometric with low maintenance, architectural plants like ornamental grasses or succulents. Use simple, dark metal fixtures for exterior lighting, positioned low to highlight the textures and guide the eye along the wide facade. Now, let's see these sleek, single-story wonders in action. Here are the top 10 best modern bungalow house design ideas. 1. The cantilevered roof entry. This design uses a flat roof that dramatically extends past the entrance walls without vertical supports. This cantilevered effect emphasizes the modern horizontal plane and provides a sleek, protected entryway. 2. Rich wood siding and white stucco contrast. This home perfectly balances clean, smooth white stucco with warm, horizontal wood paneling. The contrast in texture and color prevents the long facade from feeling monotonous and adds high-end sophistication. 3. L-shaped plan with central courtyard. By designing the bungalow in an L shape, the home creates a sheltered, private central courtyard or patio. This layout maximizes the indoor-outdoor connection while shielding the space from the street. 4. Low profile with clear-story windows. This design keeps the main walls low for privacy and profile but incorporates a band of narrow clear-story windows high up on the wall. These windows flood the deep interior with natural light without sacrificing privacy. 5. Seamless transition to covered patio. Note the huge sliding glass doors and the deep overhang. The patio roof is a continuation of the main roofline, ensuring a continuous, protected space for outdoor dining and truly dissolving the barrier between the living room and the yard. 6. Architectural stone base and chimney. To ground the light, modern structure, a large section of the facade, often including the chimney or foundation skirting, is clad in stacked stone or brick. This adds weight and a necessary organic texture. 7. Vaulted ceiling and high gable glass. For bungalows that use a low-pitched gable roof, a triangular section of glass is installed right under the roofline. This architectural feature draws the eye up, showcases the vaulted interior ceiling, and maximizes natural light. 8. Dark monochromatic exterior. Cladding the entire bungalow in a matte dark gray or black siding. This provides a dramatic, minimalist silhouette that makes the surrounding landscaping and the bright interior glow stand out beautifully. 9. Ribbon windows and horizontal emphasis. The use of long, narrow, continuous strip windows across the facade powerfully reinforces the horizontal nature of the bungalow. They provide consistent light and maintain privacy without creating massive openings. 10. Attached minimalist pergola deck. Instead of a fully covered porch, a simple open slat wood or metal pergola extends over the deck. This defines the outdoor dining area, provides filtered shade, and keeps the overall aesthetic light and airy. The modern bungalow proves that sophisticated design doesn't require vertical complexity. By embracing clean lines, maximizing light, and ensuring easy flow between your indoor sanctuary and your outdoor retreat, you can achieve a home that is effortlessly elegant, highly functional, and built for a lifetime of comfortable living. It's simple, smart, and stunning. Which of these modern bungalow features is making it onto your dream home list? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios. We are here every week to bring you the best in architectural ideas and home planning tips. Click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!